sinisigurong kompleto sa clearances and requirements ang barberong nasa app. Pwedeng book.
Happy anniversary,
Yes,
bro.
sir. 1 year anniversary.
Usapang barbero at 1.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
1 year. 42?
42nd episode.
42 episodes in 1 year.
Napaka-grateful namin at
Wow.
binigay sa amin ito ng Ama.
Amen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus, for letting us be here at 1. At 1.
At 1, bro. And I just want to thank also all the supporters, all the people who's tuning in
Yes.
from 1 episode to 42nd episode ng Usapang Barbero. I hope na marami kayong natutunan at the same
Yes.
time. I hope na mas na-inspire pa namin kayo sa naging biyahe ng mga buhay namin.
Amen. Amen. And sa lahat ng sumuporta from lahat na naging guests, which is pag-uusapan natin mamaya.
King Ing.
The list is
Yeah.
very long, no? Just reminiscing, going back.
Ilan ba to? 26
26 guests.
guests. And the last guest is Top Spec.
No.
Ah.
I think may isa pang page yan.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, bro.
Antonio Aguirre is the last one.
Yeah.
Alright.
At 1. Next time na makikita natin si Antonio Aguirre at 100.
100 episode.
Bro,
100 episode.
man.
And, bago lahat, I just want to introduce my brother, Mr. Babs right here, my co-host.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And of course, my brother, JP Bacalyan. I
Wow.
wouldn't be here without this guy right here. It's been a journey, man. Wow. I mean, now sitting, kasi kanina we've been very busy. Pero
Oh,
ngayon sa akin nagsisink in lahat na nangyari kasi ngayon talagang bumalik lahat ng damn, bro. You know?
from Kapaan,
Yes.
from the I don't know what to say stage,
Yes.
papunta sa sobrang dami na natin sinasabi sa isa't isa
Yes.
na talaga namang epektibo ang
Amen.
naging biyahe ng buhay natin, no?
Amen,
From
kapatid.
episode 1 to episode 42. We're just grateful to be here with this brother right here.
And grateful.
And I can say now my life wouldn't be better if I haven't met this person. And if I haven't been one of the hosts and co-hosts of Usapang Barbero
Yeah.
this 2023
Yeah.
to 2024.
24. Wow!
Because
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin na-memorize yung ano eh. Hindi ko pa rin na-memorize yung ano natin.
hindi ko nadala yung yung jacket ko na
Oh.
bigay ni parang Victor. Pero
Thank you,
yeah,
thank
man.
you. Yeah, man.
What can you say about all the years
Oh.
naman? About
To
1 year.
the years!
Let me down.
You know?
Hey.
Yee!
1 year ng Usapang Barbero. What can you say sa mga journey?
Man.
Sa ups and downs? Sa mga bagong pahina na kinaharap mo?
Man, sinimulan ko to, wala naniniwala, G.
Literal.
Literal. You know what I'm saying?
It took a lot of what you call this? It took a lot of what you call this?
Doubts.
Doubts.
Yes.
Neglects? Can you say neglects?
Hindi naman. Doubts na lang siguro
Doubts,
natin. I think some of the viewers doesn't really know the true story behind how we started Usapang Barbero.
Oh. It's
You know?
funny, no?
Yeah. Ang story niyan, guys.
Okay, paano nangyari ito?
Kami ni JP, hindi kami nagkakilala during a party of my brother.
Oh, di tayo pang-abot.
Yes. And then it came to a time na sabi ni kapatid ko, Kuya, go speak to JP about endorsement of Babs. Correct?
Yes.
And then nakita tayo sa Kalamba,
Starbucks. Kasama
Starbucks.
si Harvey.
SM. Yes.
Sino pa kasama niya nun?
Tsaka yung
Tatlo
dati
ba kayo?
kong sec.
Tatlo kayo nun.
Ah.
Okay.
He's in school right now. And then, usap kami ni JP, about endorsing Babs. To the one point na, syempre, Babs app doesn't have, yung malaking pondo
Oo.
para to invite, to have endorsers.
Oo.
Diba?
Ang pinaka-plano pa niya ni paring King
Yes.
ay mag-endorse din si paring Al James.
Yes.
Flow G.
Yeah, and that's still not off the books.
Of course, it's
Oh,
it's
you
still
never
going to
know.
happen. It's
Meron
still
kaming
going to
project,
happen.
yung project na yun, maganda talaga pag nakuha natin.
It will be big. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, resuming to the.
And then it came to the point na sabi ko, damn man, paano kaya natin mapapalakas yung marketing na tong Babs natin.
Oh.
During that time, kami ni Harvey, gumawa kami ng parang funny side ng Babs.
Oh.
Yung poster
Oo.
na yung parang comic
Yeah, yes.
na usapang barbero. Ganon.
Okay.
So, nung ginawa yung poster na yon, nasabi ko na kay Harvey, one day gagawin natin podcast yan. I just didn't know. I don't know the equipments, cameras, things, how to go live with it. Di ba pinag-aralan ko lang slowly? Yeah. Di ba?
Paano ka nag-decide to have to invite me into a podcast?
Jay, naglakas loob na lang ako. Sabi ko, you know what? Yung Usapang Barbero, kausap ko pa si Harvey nun eh. Sabi ko, V, ano kaya gawin ko na yung Usapang Barbero podcast na sinasabi ko nun? Yeah, Jay, bro. But never have an experience talking in front of
camera.
yung interview na gano'n. Never. But yeah, posting myself, recording, gano'n lang. Pero talking to in front of the camera, never. So sabi ko, man, but I have to do this for my team. I have to do this for people na naniwala sa Babs. I have to keep pushing whatever I can do para mapalawak natin tong Babs natin.
Uh-huh.
And then that's when I reached out, di ba? It's napakadaling kausap ni JP.
Dire-diretso lang tayo. Nun.
Yeah. Sabi ko, brother, game ka ba for interview? Hindi pa podcast, di ba?
Oh.
Interview. Hindi ko pa sinabing podcast yun eh.
Di pa.
Oo, interview lang.
Pagkakaalala ko, sinabi mong podcast siya when I get here.
Yeah.
Now, let's try to create a podcast. Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Joe Rogan.
Yeah. Yeah. And then when it came to the interview, actually guys, wala pa kaming plano for episode 2 or whatsoever eh.
Oh.
Interview pa lang yun, di ba? Para kapaan pa lang. Hindi pa nga natin alam na magiging host tayong dalawa eh.
Oh.
Gets?
Yeah. Guest ako nun.
Yes.
Guest ako sa episode 1 ng Usapang Barbero.
Yes.
And he interviewed me with a lot of different type of questions.
Yeah.
No?
Grabe yung questions na yun, G.
Oo, pang ano talaga eh.
Parang ginawa ko ng storyline eh.
Oh.
Di ba? Yung,
That's the first time we created a list of questions.
Yung list of questions na kailangan connected to dun sa mga isusunod na itatanong. So, dapat maging connected to dun sa Usapang Barbero na kamusta yung una mong gupit, magkano yung una mong gupit, ano yung experience.
Oo.
Di ba? And then naging ganun na yung flow natin. We linked up after our podcast. Sabi natin na,
tayo nag-usap.
sabi ko, bro, nakita natin yung connection natin. I think that was a pretty good views during that time, yung una natin.
How many views did we take?
I can't remember. Pero nag-5K tayo nun eh. Tapos nabura pa, di ba?
Oh, man. Oh.
Gets, nabura. Nag-5K tayo nun during that night.
Oh.
Yeah, 5K agad yung views natin. Then climbing, then nabura.
Damn. Oh, yun yung tumawag ka sa akin. Ben, G, nabura na natin. Nalulungkot pa siya nun. Sabi, okay lang yan. May mga susunod pa tayo gagawin.
Yeah. I was like, man. And then to the point na, we got to a certain point na, okay, gets a second episode, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga naging guests natin eh. Sabi, nag-usap tayo na let's start inviting guests.
Yeah.
Tapos, di ba doon tayo galing?
Episode 2 ba may guest na tayo?
Episode 2 meron na, no? Episode 2 meron na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Yeah. Di ba? Tapos ang gamit pa natin, wala pa tayong magandang camera nun. Gamit pa natin yung...
Ito yung sofa na yun, di ba?
Yung sofa na yan, may butas pa yan eh. Butas pa yung couch doon. And then yung patungan natin ng... yung mic yata, nilalapit natin yung dead cat. Para yung mic na yung isang mic yung kinakabit sa taas ng...
Ben.
Oo. Di ba naalala mo, ilalapit ko pa para marinig tayo. And then, improvement. Sabi ko, mamaya natin pag-usapan yung guest. To the point na dumating sa point na, man, we have to improve. Kasi hindi marinig yung guest. So, ang ginawa ko, naalala mo yung cellphone?
Yeah.
Ginawa ko, kinunik ko sa Bluetooth na to. Di ba? Naalala mo yung hawak ni Mike yung cellphone. Nakakabit siya sa tawag dito, sa tripod.
Oh, man.
G. And then to the point na sabi ko, man, let's invest on
Mike.
equipments. After nung kay Mike, doon na yata tayo slowly
Slowly
nag-build ng mga
building,
equipments natin.
Slowly building the equipments.
Yeah.
No, the face of our podcast sa isang taon, bilis lang din. No?
Yeah. And at the same time, walang naging hindi live.
Oo.
All of our podcasts was
It's live
live.
and raw.
Yeah.
And on the so far so good, na hanggat sa patuloy natin ginagawa yung podcast,
Yeah.
mas lalo tayong gumagaling,
Yeah.
mas nag-build yung chemistry nating dalawa on
Amen.
the what to talk about,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
And yun lang din. Being consistent talaga will bring you somewhere.
Oh, man. Hindi lang sa podcast. I think the podcast really helped us build ourselves and build connections at the same time. And people saw the potential on each other. Yung mga nanonood, actually kausap ko lang isang tropa the other day, yung sa Kryptonite ko. Sabi niya, bro, napansin ko talaga yung progress mo from the very start to where you guys are at now. The way you and JP talk is, damn, it's a podcast now.
It's a podcast, bro.
Yeah. You know, yung parang wala nang camera, parang ganoon na daw tayo
Normal na.
mag-usap.
Wala nang ako, kailan natanggal yung nerve mo? Ako, technically, I've
Hindi,
been
artist
having
ka na
nerves, ha?
Pero artist ka na eh.
Pero iba ang dating sa pagsasalita,
Podcast.
bro.
True.
Iba ang dating sa pagsasalita. May kaba pa rin talaga.
Yeah.
Tapos, before, medyo, tawag dito, nakakalimutan ko pa yung mga dapat kong sabihin. Brain fog ba?
Tapos at the same time, nagtitingin pa tayo sa questions. Yes, sino ba? Hanggang ilang episodes yun, bro. Dire-diretso, di ba? Meron pa tayong flashcards. Nandito pa yung mga flashcards natin eh. Man, hindi lang umabot yung dapat magpe-play talaga tayo ng presentation for a little bit.
Yeah, o nga pala, saan yun?
Wala, sobrang naging, si Harvey din, exam day, hindi ko
Exam
naman siya
weeks.
maano. Pero,
Okay.
gagawa po kami ng video to reminisce and to say thank you sa lahat na naging guest natin at binigyan tayo ng oras
Pagkakataon,
para makapunta dito.
bumiyahe.
Yeah, this is not an easy drive to.
Layo na to.
Oo, ang dami. Lahat ng guest natin is parang north.
Labas
Labas
ng Calamba, Laguna.
Yeah, yeah. So, Kalamba pa lang, 1 hour and a half na para makarating dito, di ba?
1 hour ba?
Yeah, bro. 1 hour and a half.
Kinukuha ko to ng 45 minutes.
Ay, sus! So, usapang oras.
Isang oras pala, no? Bakit ilang minutes ba takbo mo? Ilang kilometers ba takbo mo papunta dito?
Dati na ako, kapatid. You know what I'm saying? Can't be driving that fast anymore.
Wala niyan, tagal nun, boy.
Fast and daddy ako ngayon. Hindi ako fast and furious. Fast and daddy.
Oh, yeah, man. So, we would like to thank all the guests.
Yung just
talagang-
pag-uusapan natin sila. Yun.
Nagbigay sila ng oras, ng
Yeah.
effort,
Yeah.
just to talk in front of us,
Yeah.
to talk in front of the camera. Hindi biro na maging guest at magsalita
Yes,
sa
kapatid. And to
sa
tell
harap
your
ng
story,
camera.
to tell your story publicly, live.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was an easy story to share for all of our guests.
And I think meron pang isang guest na nagsabi na pag nandun ka na sa gitna, hindi mo na talaga mapipigilan yung sarili mo magkwento about sa buhay mo eh.
Yeah. Which a lot of people, na-capture natin yung emotion ng mga viewers.
Oh, yeah.
Na nagkaroon sila ng pag-asa sa buhay na, oh, damn, yun palang pinagdaanan ng tong taon to.
Oo, di
Yeah.
biro.
Yeah. Yeah. Diba?
And para makita ng mga viewers natin na ang buhay ng isang barber artist ay
Yeah.
hindi lang talaga pagiging isang barber artist.
Yeah.
It's actually tawag dito, it's actually profession
Yes.
na talagang pinopursue at inaaral ng matagal.
Tama.
And it's also an art
Tama ka
na
dyan.
kayang bumuhay ng isang pamilya.
Yes.
At kayang payamanin ka din.
Yes. And at the same time, bro, mga naging guests natin, sawa sila sa palabok. Naalala mo, puro palabok pagkain natin.
Uy, nakakamiss yung palabok ah.
Oh, ay, dapat pala yun, in-order ko, pansit tayo
Oh,
ngayon.
sige,
Pero yung
sige,
palabok,
sige.
no, every time, no, every guest.
Yung
palabok.
palabok.
Yeah.
Palabok na maraming puset.
Yes.
Walang
Oh,
iya
man,
yun.
all the memories that we had. Ikaw, P, what is the
Ay,
most
ganun,
valuable lesson that you got out of our podcast?
Humility.
Yeah.
Oh, being humble. Na tawag dito, hindi lahat na naging biyahe at lahat ng istorya ng mga tao ay talagang hindi biro.
Yeah.
And it gives me an idea to appreciate a lot of different type of people.
Yeah.
Right? Different type of people. Mapameron, mapawala,
Yeah.
mapakahit na sino pa yan.
Yeah.
It always humbles me down because I really do not know the story behind that
Behind.
person.
That's true.
And because of this podcast, nakita ko na lahat ng tao ay meron talagang natatagong diamante
Yeah.
deep inside of their body, deep inside of their stories. Diamante na talagang humulma sa mga pressure na natatanggap nila.
That's very true. That's very true.
And yun yung diamante na kinikwento nila dito sa harap ng camera natin.
Yay! Galing naman. Galing man ang latag mo doon. Kapatid, masyado ka ng podcaster na. Pero seriously, it's very true.
Right?
It's very true. Every guest, whoever we interviewed was a star.
Yes.
To their own stories.
Exactly right.
You
And
know.
if you kung tumuto ka talaga simula pa nung umpisa ng podcast na to,
Yeah.
makikita mo talaga yung halaga ng buhay ng isang tao.
Yeah. And dun sa podcast natin, it wasn't just us capturing learnings. It was us also
Yes.
giving hope to the people na interview natin. Oh, ganun pala pinagdaanan din ni JP, ganun pala din si King.
Yeah, bro.
You know?
Iba't
Yeah.
ibang klase ng biyahe.
Yeah. Naalala mo pa yung Naalala mo pa yung time na usapang barbero? Ginawa ko pa ng usapang barbero. Fast talk. Damn. No, I was just trying to find different avenues.
Kung
on
anong pwedeng
how,
ilagay sa
yeah.
segment.
Oh, man.
Alright, tas ngayon, alam mo yun,
I think, yeah.
we're naturally speaking, we're naturally talking.
And at the same time before, I think we were trying to find way to break through.
Oo.
Pero now, I think it's more of like, we just put our faith in God. We just stay consistent on the things that we do and we
Forward.
ride the wave. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Kasi dati we were really pushing to break through yung usapang barbero. You know what I mean? But now we really come to a sense na darating yan, we just have to be consistent, man.
Which is what is really happening.
It is.
It is coming because we are
Yeah.
consistent.
Yeah. Yeah. One of the things that I learned naman from the podcast.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to ask you,
No.
brother.
It's okay.
Pwede ba makahingi ng isang platong pansit?
Oh, bigyan si JP, gutom na yan.
Ano
Dapat
ko
pala
eh.
kumain muna
Loading
tayo.
eh. Hindi, okay lang yan. This is a raw podcast and we can
Yeah.
eat here.
Yep. Definitely, sir.
Yeah. So what did you learn sa mga past episodes and what do you learn? Ano ang pinaka main attitude na nakuha mo
Yeah.
dito sa usapang barbero?
I think for my end, the biggest learning for myself is, man, nothing is impossible anymore.
Yeah.
Di ba ito na yung palagi kong repetitive na sinasabi. Wala nang imposible.
Yes.
Kasi napoprove ni God yung mga wini-wish natin dumarating. As long as we keep on working.
Yes.
Wala nang imposible. Kaya si Usapang Barbero was a proven factor for myself na walang imposible. Kasi during that time, I didn't know how to do the podcast, this and that.
Yeah,
Basta may
bro.
gusto kang bagay,
Oh.
specific guest na na-achieve natin,
Yes.
sabi ko, damn, walang imposible. Yeah.
Humility and walang imposible.
Yeah.
Humility and possibilities.
Yeah. Sinulat talaga natin yung pahina ng Usapang Barbero. Jay.
Oo, man. Talagang, ito
Yeah.
talaga. Hinulma rin ako nitong usapang barbero to be a different type of person.
Yeah.
Hinulma niya ako to be the best version of myself.
Yes.
Speaking to other people, speaking to different type of people.
Yeah.
Communicating properly, communicating well.
Yeah.
Sa mga tao na sa dami ng tao na kasalamuha
Oh,
ko.
yeah.
Man.
On a daily, bro. Yeah, yours. I mean, you're a celebrity.
Ang daming tao, different type of people. And usapang barbero improves my way of communicating.
It's almost
way.
like it's almost like when we're doing podcasts, you're learning how to move your pawns. It's like a chess. It's like a chess.
Dito ko rin natunan yung chameleon.
Yeah, yung highlight natin din dito, no? Isang one big
Oh.
highlight natin.
Chameleon.
Yeah,
And he taught me that.
yeah.
He taught me that.
You gotta learn how to adapt. Whoever adapts wins.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Ang dali lang pakinggan eh, no?
It's very difficult. It's very difficult to master.
Ang dali lang pakinggan
Kasi you have to
eh.
lower down your ego. You have to
Your
be patient.
emotions.
Your emotions. Yes.
Yeah, man. Your emotions. It's sobrang halaga niyan.
Yeah.
Hindi ka pwedeng magpadala sa emotion mo if
Yeah.
you want to if you want to get something. If you want
Yeah.
to build something.
First one to show emotions loses, bro.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Oof.
Diba? Damn! Usapang Barbero episode number, ano ba? 41, 42?
42.
42.
42.
Two
and
times.
we're heading to our season 3 after this, no?
Yeah. Pagbalik po namin, iba na to. Na-reconstruct na daw, no? Bilis eh, no?
Are you planning to?
Oh, we have to. But it's just very difficult to do right now because we've been super
loaded
busy.
ka, bro.
And
very
dito yung
loaded.
headquarters. Eh.
Meron ka pang meeting kanina bago pumunta rito.
Amen. That was a blessing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ako nagpahinga ako eh. Pagod ako eh.
I know. You just came from Jensen, correct?
Yes, I came from Jensen.
How was it?
Oh, bro, Jensen was, oh man, for me, it's a home.
Mhm.
Jensen is a home for me.
Yeah.
JC Manangkil is my brother there. So, pagdating namin doon, na kami ng ibang ginawa, kundi nag-inom.
Yeah.
And while we're drinking, we're telling stories about our lives.
Yeah.
How was kamusta yung biyahe ng buhay.
Yeah.
Laging ganun. When we are talking to each other,
It's about life.
it's about life,
That's
about
good.
how we love each other
Yeah.
as brothers.
Yeah.
How am I to him being a brother?
Mhm.
Namin, lagi niyang pinangalandakan na kaibigan ko to. Si JP, kaibigan ko to. Lagi niyang sinasabi.
Sarap nun.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Amigo ko na. Parang in Ilonggo, amigo ko na.
Yeah.
In Ilonggo.
Yeah.
Amigo ko na siya.
Yeah.
Amigo ko na. And it's very grateful na merong tao. Well, a lot of people, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang,
Calls you
but
as
a
a
lot of
brother.
people treat me as their real brother.
Yeah.
And
That's a blessing.
yan.
Ayan, pansit.
Dami naman nito, boss. Pang ano to ah.
Joy.
Hati tayo dito. Psst. Bro, hati tayo dito.
Good, G lang.
Dami nito.
Ayan, kain tayo. Guys, yung pansit namin dito. You know what I mean? Happy anniversary. Nag-celebrate kami ni JP. Live on podcast, bro. We eat.
Ayun galing tong pansit na to.
Luto ni Daddy. Daddy ni ate mo.
Oh.
Yeah. Especially for you yan. Especially for you. Mamaya, busog pa. Nagkape pa ako. Sa'yo lang yan. Take a bite. Take a bite. Tsaka ito. Manik pa.
Akala ko kaya ko ng ano eh.
Nag-ayos pa ng buko before. Hay ka nga sa camera, Bili. Hindi naman.
Yo, big shout out to Tito sa pagluluto ng pansit na napakasarap naman talaga. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
thank you to Monique na nag-serve sa akin ng pang 3 taong pansit.
Yup. Yup. Ayun na, lili pa rin ng mga balloons. Yup.
Yeah. So, let's resume what we're talking about. Ano ba?
You were with Jason Maningkil.
Okay, I would say si Manang Kinets. I'm very grateful na talaga namang merong mga kapatid na tinitreat ako. Oy,
Dito na lang yung ano. Sorry.
merong mga kapatid ako na tinitreat ako na bilang kapatid. Alam mo yun? Sobrang dadalhin ka talaga ng pagiging pure mo.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah, very true.
Everywhere in this world.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? He actually wants me to be there para meron siyang kakwentuhan, para meron siyang kabonding.
Yeah.
Ang performance ko kinabukasan pa.
Wow.
And yung pinaka main bodyguard niya, si Sarge. Shout out si Sarge.
Damn.
Sabi niya, Sir, buti na nga lang pumunta ka dito eh.
Yay.
Minsan lang lumabas yan.
Hey.
Kasi si JC ay sobrang basing tao niyan. Lalong-lalo na ngayon meron pa siyang newborn baby.
Yeah.
J-Money.
J-Money.
J-Money is the nickname of the
Wow.
child. The J-Money is very, very cute. The
Yeah.
first time he saw me, he was just playing and he was just laughing.
Yeah.
Siguro na-sense niya yung love ng dad niya rin para sa akin. Parang ganun yun eh, no?
Yeah.
Ewan ko.
Yeah.
But that was the first time that he saw me, then he was just playing with me, laughing.
Yeah.
I can see the joy from that kid's eyes. J-Money. Kamukha mo yung anak mo, pre.
Yeah.
Ikaw na ikaw yan.
Yeah.
And yun nga, I'm very grateful na nandun ako, napunta ako ron. I had an experience, a different type of experience and learning from that person, which is JC Manangkil, who actually really believes in me
Yeah.
and my artistry
Yeah.
and what I've got.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, nagkakilala lang kami sa isang inuman because Jeff T. Tinamisan, which is my kaklase ko siya dati. Kaklase namin ni Green. In-invite lang ako ni Jeff T. sa isang inuman for me to meet JC.
Yeah.
And alam mo, hindi pinipilit na vibration na we
Yeah.
just clicked.
Yeah.
We just clicked. Just like us.
Yes.
We just clicked just like us.
Yeah.
Doon na nagsimula yung solid na friendship namin.
Yeah.
And up until now, we were friends like for 2 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Na pinapapunta niya akong Jensen to spend time and sing there. Kasi pag lasing na yun, papakantahin na ako ng papakantahin yan.
Yeah.
Dire-diretso na yan.
Yun yung masarap na feeling, brother. Kasi sometimes when you really want something to happen in your life, of course you need also mas nabibuild yung confidence mo when someone believes in you.
Yeah.
And sometimes it only takes one person that believes in you.
Exactly.
Kasi there's multiple person out there na hindi pa lang nadidiscover ka. Parang
Oo.
ganun. Yeah.
And alam mo yun, siya lang din nagsabi sa akin na hindi mo pwedeng sukuan yung sinimulan mo.
Yeah.
A reminder also,
Yeah.
which is actually what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I will never ever give up on my dream.
Yeah.
And so far, I've been building my network.
Yup.
Opportunities are opening.
Yup.
And thank God for this. Also to my brother Victor, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Meron kaming bagong show ngayon which is yung Philippine hip hop idol.
Wow.
So I'll be one of the judges there
Damn.
together with
Ano to, rap battle?
no.
Artist rin
Rap
talaga.
song artist. Rap song competition. They will be performing too. So I'll be the judge.
Very
Mike Cosa, Yumi, a lot of judges will be there, and I just want to thank all the people, Jason, Postoyo, Victor,
Yeah.
for really believing in me, and Ian Angeles for really believing in what I got.
And to come in a sense, the thing that you guys are opening is an opportunity for
Yes.
for future rappers.
And for another hip hop superstar,
Yeah.
we will find the another hip hop superstar.
Yeah, with this, definitely. That's a
And
very smart move.
The champion will earn cash.
Yes.
Nakalimutan ko lang yung amount of cash, but I think it's around 250K.
Yeah.
The champion will earn 250K, so you just have to work
Wow.
your ass off there.
Yes, sir. And man, before we forget, I forgot our sponsors. Nandyan
Oo nga pala.
Nandito si
Naalala
ano mo?
ko rin sila kanina eh.
nandito sa
Sino to?
Ayan, yan.
Sino to?
Beladi.
Yo, big shoutouts to Beladi for being a sponsor.
Yeah.
And if you want to be, kung gusto nyo magpahinga, magmuni-muni,
Yes.
pumunta lang kayo sa Beladi, dyan sa Tagaytay. And Beladi 2 will be opening soon.
Yes.
Another place for you to relax.
Yes.
But then again, if you want to relax, just follow the page of Beladi and be there
yes,
and
sir.
feel the vibration of greens
Yes, sir.
and cold
Yes.
winds.
And sa December will be Babs X Impeccable Beladi Christmas Party.
Oh,
Nara.
December what?
Inaayos pa.
Ay, mga December. Ito na yung
Ayan ang mga Christmas
December
party.
is
Pero
loaded.
yung Christmas party natin is being talked about already.
Yeah.
Na doon gagawin sa Beladi too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm
Yeah.
excited.
Ganda, no?
Okay
Solid
to.
yan.
So,
Yeah.
mapupuyat ka rin sa amin doon together.
For show.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Di ba kami iwan in the middle of the night, ah?
Hindi, kape lang ako. But yeah, and of course, thank you Impeccable Shoes for
Yeah.
sponsoring this podcast that we have. And before we move forward, and if you guys want to get your shoes clean professionally, follow us on Facebook at Impeccable Shoes. If you need the location, just type on your Google Map or Waze Impeccable Shoes. Lalabas na po doon yung nearest location ng aming mga branches. And I just want to say thank you to all of the LGU ng Mandaluyong for showing up dun sa grand opening ng Mandaluyong branch namin. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Congratulations.
From mayor, councilors, kapitans, nagpunta sila. Full presence. And nagdala pa sila ng mga sapatos. So that's support.
Wow.
And Congresswoman. Pumunta rin.
Congresswoman was the name?
Queenie.
What?
I forgot her last name. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. But they were all there, man. We felt the love in Mandaluyong, and we truly appreciate you. And yeah, may project din for Babs. So
Let's
with
go then.
LGU.
Can't wait na mag-popped out lahat ng negosyo.
Yeah. For the growth, every business that we have, Babs Impeccable Shoes, is providing jobs, creating opportunities. Yan yung gusto namin pamilya. My parents, my brother, my wife is yung service talaga. Service provider. I think it's the avenue for our family. And with the things that we're building, I just want this to be remembered is me and my brother as the Liwag brothers establishing this stuff here in the yung legacy na gusto namin maiwan. You know?
And you're doing it.
Yeah, slowly.
Babs that app. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Impeccable shoes. Let's
yes,
go.
sir. Belati. Man, it's such a blessing. But we won't get here without all of you guys too. Every step of the way was a build of a team na got us here. And we're still conquering mountains na umaano sa atin. We keep on climbing. Climbing. And each and single one of our team are on the climb too. Wala na iiwan eh.
Yes.
Gets? Wala na iiwan. All the way down to the bottom na nag-start sa atin is they're climbing too.
Grinder lahat eh.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's one thing that I'm so proud of is God, He really blessed us to be surrounded with these type of people na strivers
Oo.
to get somewhere in life.
You attract them.
Yeah.
If you're like that, you will attract them.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really thankful.
Different type of bosses.
Yeah. Yeah. And with our family, everyone's on same playing field, feet on the ground.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We tell each other, hey, medyo mali. Hey, try this. You know what I mean? It's not we don't keep it to ourselves lang na bahala sa buhay mo. We really help each other strive for each
Yeah.
other. You know what I mean?
Check on
Yeah.
each and every one.
And with going back to our 1 year anniversary, without JP pushing some of the certain guests that we had before wouldn't get us to the level of certain levels that we got dito sa Usapang Barbero, where sometimes it takes years for this person to speak to a specific person, but we did it in 1 year, you know. So now let's talk about the guests.
Di natin na-expect talaga yung mga guests na magsasay yes eh.
Oh yeah, lalo na sa layo na to.
Oo, itong lugar na to.
Yeah.
Tapos they will enjoy our company, eating pancit with us, eating palabok,
Yes.
soft drinks.
Yes.
As
Yes.
simple as it is.
Yes.
They love the vibration.
And almost 99% wala nang pabayad. Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah. Diba? And this with big stars too in the game. You get what
All
I'm
right, let's
saying?
talk about the big stars then.
No, let's talk about the first list.
Oh,
Tell me
okay.
what you remember. Ako na magsasabi sa'yo ng list.
Sige nga.
Ang babasa sa'yo. What you can remember. Siguro let's cut it short to 1 to 3 words. What you remember
Sige.
from our podcast. Our episode number 2 was shout out sa'yo, Barbera de Joyce. What can you remember?
3 words lang.
Ikaw.
Hmm.
Just ano.
Number 1, flexible.
Mhm.
Bakit flexible? Kasi binali niya yung tingin ng mga tao na ang barbero ay para sa mga lalaki lamang.
Yeah.
Number 2, masipag.
Mhm.
Kasi, sorry, alarm ko to eh.
Go. Gising na
Okay.
daw no? Kaya pala ito nalilate me. Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi, pag mga 4:30 to 6:30, 4:30, earn money.
Yeah.
6:30, earn money.
Yeah.
Yun yung mga alarms
I
ko.
like that. I
Oo.
like that.
Anyhow, so number 1 is flexible. Number 2, masipag. Because, meron siya sariling shop, man.
Yeah.
Meron
Yeah.
siya sariling shop.
Yeah.
And a barbera na meron sariling shop. At may mga nagpapagupit sa kanya.
Yeah.
Gets mo? And number 3, persistent sa ginagawa niya.
Yeah.
The story of Joyce de Barberia de Joyce?
Barbera
That's
de
the
Joyce.
shop, right?
And that's her
Barbera de
Facebook
Joyce, the
page.
shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Kung gusto nyo maka-experience ng ganong klaseng gupit galing sa isang babae na nag-fade,
Yeah.
go there.
Yeah.
She
And
can actually cut.
She can fade.
Yeah, that's it.
Para sa akin naman, Barbera de Joyce was a eye opener para sa industry, like what you said.
Yeah, man.
You know, she's an eye opener para sa industry na babaeng babae pero kayang makipagsabayan sa mga lalaki.
Pagdating sa pagkukupit.
Yes. Kasi which really shows how wide the barber market is. You know what I mean? She didn't hesitate to pursue what she wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? And make a living out of it. So,
Buhay
kaya siya yung naging first guest natin was to show na, hey, barber industry is evolving.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya sa mga parents or sa mga family members na pinipigilan yung certain talent ng isang tao, don't. Let them.
Oo.
As long as wala silang tatapakan na tao, let them.
Let them.
Yeah.
No, yun
Because
yung
you
art
never
eh.
know where that journey is gonna take them.
Wag mong pagsasabihan na hindi yan para sa'yo, anak.
Yes.
Man. No, you cannot say that.
Yes.
Kahit ikaw mismo bilang parent,
Yes.
hindi mo masasabi na hindi yan para sa anak mo kasi hindi mo naman yung paa ng anak mo.
Tama. Wow. Good one. Yes, sir. And then, our guest number 3, and syempre, this is one dearly close to our hearts, is si Mike Coronel. Mahaba
bro.
to listahan na to, ha?
Mahaba yan, bro.
One word na lang, one word na lang.
One word na.
One word.
Okay, Mike Coronel. Oh, man.
Kuya
Pwede
Mike,
ko
no? He's been
masabi.
part of the journey, no?
Yeah, fake barber.
Yeah.
You know? Ano ba pwede ko masabi kay Mike?
Naku, Mike.
Mike, mabuting tao.
Yeah.
Oo, mabuting tao.
Yeah.
No, vibration is not off.
Yeah.
He truly shows supports to us,
Grabe.
whatever it is,
Grabe.
bringing guests.
Yeah.
Right?
I know. He was the first one inviting guests. Yeah. Ay,
Yo,
alas na yung team.
bye.
Ay, dito muna kayo. Before sila umalis, pasalamat tayo sa kanila.
Kumain na ba kayo? Dami nito, oh.
They've been part of the journey. Teka lang. Of course, si Joy. Joy, mag-hi ka dito. Ito, Joy.
Ate Joy.
Si Joy has been part of the journey since the beginning of Babs. Everything. Ano masasabi mo, Joy? Ano masasabi
Legit
mo?
beginning of Babs, no? February 28.
Yeah. Joy, ano masasabi mo sa journey mo? Bili.
Solid po.
Wow! One word, eh, no? Si Monique, ano masasabi mo, Monique?
Siyempre solid din. Oh.
Ayan po. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Sila yung nag-set up ng balloons natin today.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Work.
Work again. Mike Coronel. One word. A gem.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a gem for
Babs.
our growth para dito sa Usapang Barbero. Without him, majority of those people that's on the list also.
Cannot be reached.
Yes, and he really tried to help us break through with our Babs app and Usapang Barbero.
Talaga.
Yeah.
And for Babs, he is very, 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 very valuable.
Yes, asset. Next is si Kuya Owen Dreads Barber.
Owen Dreads.
Yes.
Oh, humble.
Yeah.
A very humble guy.
Yeah.
But yet, damn.
Yeah, he has what? 500k followers? Huh?
Million? Millionaire.
Yeah,
Million
grabe.
siya. But yeah,
Super humble.
humble and consistent.
Yeah.
Mabait na tao.
Yeah. And Kuya Owen Dreads.
Invite ka ba sa opening niya?
Hindi ko pa na ano.
Kuya Owen, baka di ako napunta sa opening mo. Sobrang busy lang talaga. Baka
Kailan
nalimutan ko. I think there is an opening of his shop.
Baka mamaya nag-comment eh.
Mismo.
Yeah. Kuya Owen Dread Barbers naman para sa akin was a door opener para sa barber industry.
Aha.
Once he heard what Babs app is about and then nakausap natin siya dito, he continuously started helping us out promote our app.
Nakita niya kasi yung vision eh.
Yeah.
Na Babs app really helps
The barbers.
the barbers.
Yeah.
It really it elevates
Yes.
it elevates the barber. I mean, it helps elevates the barber industry.
Yes. Definitely. Next natin is si JC the Barber.
The young one, huh?
The
The
young
young
one.
blood.
Ito yung parang naturuan natin eh. Parang
Mhm.
parang naging tatay tayo sa podcast.
Which is what he is doing
Right
right
now.
now. This kid.
Yes.
Yo, JC, big shoutout sa'yo, man. Kung ano
Shoutout.
man ang
Congrats.
ginagawa mo at kung nasaan ka man ngayon, I want to congratulate you because I've been seeing you working. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Pursue his dreams.
Yes, a young kid
Di ba naalala mo, nag-ano pa siya? Yung sa kuryente.
sa kuryente.
Tapos pinagsabihan
Dangerous
natin.
yun.
Pinagsabihan natin sa podcast. No,
Pursue
pursue his
that.
dream.
Pursue that.
Now look at the way he dressed. Look at the way he looks now.
The contents.
Yes.
Diba?
Very
And-
proud of you.
JC, you are youngins. Lupit mo to have a shop at your own.
Yes.
Pagpatuloy, man.
Yes. And
Artist.
man, he's a pioneering. I don't know if I'm using the right term, pero nagiging instructor na rin siya for tipo no ex barbers.
Instructor siya ngayon.
Parang ganun. Minsan nakikita ko nandun siya sa mga opening naging instruct ng mga ano. So
Man,
very,
diba?
di ba? Pinursue niya yung passion niya. Now
Magaling.
look at where he is.
Magaling. And we are proud of you.
Yeah.
Kung nasan ka man ngayon, mas galingan mo pa.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, number 6, Moab Moto TV.
Oh, man. Iyan sa pinakamadaldal na taong nakilala
3 hours to, bro. Yung podcast natin, Moab. Man, shoutout sa iyo, kapatid.
Yet, they have a podcast now.
Garahe.
Garahe podcast. And kailan nyo kami gigest dyan?
Oo nga. Hinihintay pa natin.
Diba? PPM
Yeah.
ko nga yan yung ayun.
Decal
Yeah,
Republic.
mamaya pala yan,
Natin,
mamaya
natin,
yan. But yeah,
natin.
Moab TV, in one word, madaldal, nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Two
Moab.
words.
Moab was, man, a very humble guy.
Yeah, he is.
He was the host during the time na nag-event sumali sa event si Babs. Actually, siya yung sa kanya ko narinig yung na-create natin yung slogan na basta gupit Babs. Pero first time in the speaker ko narinig na basta gupit Babs. You know what I mean? So I was like, man, I could still remember like it was yesterday when he said it like that. I was like, wow. And Moab was till now, man, like, you know, keep in touch. Without Moab, ano to eh, konektado to eh.
Connect, oh.
Hintayin mo yung story mamaya. Pagkatapos ni Moab, of course, si Sir Sagunting Master.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, grabe din ang story.
Si Tito.
Yeah, ano masasabi mo dun, brother?
Oh, fierce guy.
Yeah,
A fierce guy
yeah,
with vision.
yes.
A fierce guy with
Grabe,
vision.
no? San lang din siya nagsimula.
Oo.
Binangon niya yung pamilya niya from the bottom also.
Siya ba yung tumira sa Maynila?
Yeah,
Sa garahe.
I think so.
I think that's he is.
Oo.
Sobrang totok din ako sa story niya. Sobrang na-touch din talaga ng story niya yung puso ko.
Yeah.
Kasi by that time, andin yung on the grind ako eh. Pero listening on what he says, uwi
Yeah.
ako ng bahay, wow.
Yeah. And now he owns multiple branches dito sa Santa Cruz, Laguna of Gunting Masters.
Nadagdagan ba?
Yeah, yeah. He has an additional 2.
Oof.
He's getting it, you know.
Big
And,
shout out, Gunting Master.
Yeah. Gunting Master, one thing I can remember is one word, inidolize ko talaga yung ano nila, yung logo nila during that time. I was in the beginning of my barber career, nagpapakilala pa lang ako sa Impeccable Cuts. Nakita ko yung shop niya, ang ganda ng logo. So he was one of my motivation on, actually kaya black yung background ng Impeccable Cuts na ano, kasi nakita ko yung ganda.
Gunting Master.
Yeah. He was an inspiration, I think that's the word, for one of my part of the journey. And then the next, ito wala ka dito. Ito yung ano ko si Anthony. Yung nagturo sa akin maggupit.
Nasaan ako niyan?
I think he had a
Did.
show.
No. Yan yata yung ano eh.
Video?
Oo.
Pero you were somewhere else kasi dalawa lang itong screen eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anthony was one of the start. But let's fast forward. Ito yung first international podcast na ginawa. You know, during, it was like, FaceTime lang siya eh.
Oo, hindi naalala ko yan.
Yeah.
Nasinabi mo sa akin siya yung mentor mo.
Yeah. Siya yung sa akin, nag-start ng barber journey ko sa States.
Mm.
Kaya thank you sa'yo. Without you, I wouldn't be here too. Yeah. The next, si James Aaron, bro. James Aaron Mendoza. Yung
Sino ba?
bata na yung clothing line niya is si James Aaron yung About God also. Yung ano, brother, yung
Hindi ko na maalala.
High Minds yung ano niya. Yung brand ng damit niya.
Si James.
James.
Barbero din.
Yes.
Oh, na tinuturuan ni
Mike.
Mike. Yeah.
That guy gave a lot of lesson too.
He's still a barber right now.
He has his own shop. He built his own shop now. Di ba dati sa harapan lang siya ng bahay?
Oh.
Ngayon may sarili niya siyang shop.
Dito sa Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz din.
Lupit mo, pre. But yeah, all I can say is with that one word for that person is persistent.
Yeah. Ano siya? Hungry. Hungry for a change of his life and his mom.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun yung
kahit
inano niya.
kahit anong pwedeng
Para-
gawin.
para kay
gagawin
mama.
ko, para kay
Para-
mama.
Yeah. A very family-oriented person. Ang nakita ko kay James.
Christian.
Yes.
Christ-centered person.
Yes, very, very, very. And hindi siya na takot to pursue what he wanted also.
Oh.
And now he's doing it. He has his own shop. She's doing good. Nakita ko. Maraming salamat sa'yo. That was a valuable lesson that I learned too. Number 10 is si Father Kiko.
Oh, Father, what's up?
Our
I
first
will
priest.
never-
Di ba? Nagka-priest tayong guest?
I will never forget you. Sinundo natin siya eh.
Yes, sa Victoria.
Father Kiko, light.
Yeah.
A light. That was those times yata is a very, very stressed. And when I heard his words and I heard his stories,
Yeah.
it gives me light.
Yeah.
Binigyan niya ako ng liwanag sa malabong pinagdadaanan ko.
Yeah.
And lahat ng mga binibitawan salita is very fruitful
Yes.
na you will see the brighter side of life.
Yes. Thank you, Father Kiko. And for me naman, with Father Kiko, when naging guest natin siya was really a blessing of God. Na kasi I haven't seen a podcast where they invited may pumayag na pare na makapag-podcast sila. And of course, it really yung attraction to prayers na inano niya sa atin was very valuable, brother. You know?
And after that episode, we went to church, right?
Yes.
And we prayed
Yes.
with the boys.
Yes. 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 Thank you, Father Kiko. And 11, si Hollywood Barber, si Gian, brother.
Gian, Hollywood Barbers from Makati.
Oh, kita mo, layo na to.
From Makati.
Yeah.
I can see he's an event organizer too,
Also,
right?
Yeah, this guy's a hustler too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan, hustler. That's my
Yeah.
one word for him.
Yeah. And
Eh,
Gian, yeah,
Mabait.
sobra.
Mabait na
Humble.
tao.
Humble. Gian was one of the guests na nag-open din ng doors for kasi Gian is pretty established na rin in the barber industry,
the
Hollywood
barber industry.
barbers
Hollywood Barbers Makati.
and poblasyon, dito mo rin nakita yung parte ng buhay ng nagsimula is parang niya pa, great grandpa niya. Kinontinue niya lang yung legacy.
Oh,
Which-
yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Diba,
sa
which-
palok.
Yes, which
Okay.
gives hope to a certain family na minsan nawala sa inyo. Meron talagang generation na pwede magbalik.
Pasa.
Yeah.
Oh, nakakatuwa na din na naalala natin lahat ng to.
Yeah, kasi no, the reason why we remembered, like we say on our podcast, we learn a lot of stuff from them.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Ito yung resulta.
Ah,
Na
kita mo,
talagang alam namin.
we're able to say something about the guests.
We are listening.
Yeah, we pay attention. Kaya, just so you know, pag naging guest ka.
meron kang may memorya.
Yeah. Ang hirap na pala na to pag 100 na. No?
Mamasahin mo ba natin isa-isa yan?
Okay. Our next guest, this is just to give homage to the guest na paano
Yes.
tayo nakarating dito. Kaya we truly appreciate you and that's why we
This is how
remember.
we show you guys that we appreciate you.
Yes.
Giving time.
Actually, if we had more time, man, ang dami natin pwedeng sabihin sa per guest.
Kahit hanggang 10 p.m. pa kami dito.
Yeah. Tayo yung sa ano. Our next guest, man, this is one of the big ones when it came to the barber industry.
Who is this?
Si Russ.
Russ cuts hair.
Yeah. Grabe na si Russ. Kapatid, congratulations on all of the success. G. Nakikita mo, nandun na siya sa
I've
ano.
been following him.
Nandun na rin siya sa yung bumibili siya ng sakyan. Yeah. Russ. Ikaw muna.
Okay, what I can say with Russ is that a goal getter.
Yeah.
A go-getter.
Definitely.
But yet humble.
Very.
A go-getter but yet humble.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And pinagpapahalagahan niya talaga kung anong meron siya at kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay sa barber industry.
Yeah.
Russ Cuts Hair, congratulations on everything that you've done in your life, bro.
Yeah. Identity. Ano ba? Identity something in barbershop niya. A very nice place. A very nice
Hindi
place.
na ba siya sa Hollywood ngayon? Meron na siya sarili.
Sarili niya na. Identity Cuts. Yeah. Ang ganda ng
Yabang,
place.
angas.
I will visit you one day. But for me, Russ was the person na I can remember na pag ibibigay mo, bigay mo na lahat. Katulad sa pagbili ng, di ba, isang example nung sabi niya, bumili siya ng mamahalin na clippers na mga tools for barbering. Just to tell himself na, man, malaki na nilabas ko dito, hindi na ako pwedeng basta umatras.
Oh, yeah.
Gets? He's that type of person na hindi niya,
Yes.
he's not gonna be cheap with the things that he needs
For
his-
investment.
for
oh.
investment.
Oo.
All out tong kid na to.
Oo.
And it shows now. Kung anong sinabi niya nun, till
Yun
now it
nangyayari.
shows a reflection kung ano talaga mindset niya. Kasi nakita ko yung shop niya. Very nice. And then, now he's able to afford things na siguro dati pinapangarap niya lang. Congratulations, my G. I'm so proud of you. And keep doing what you're doing. And Babs is right here for you, bro.
Yeah, yo.
Yes. Next, si Daddy Barber.
Daddy Barber.
Yeah, the IT
Man,
guy.
The IT guy.
Okay, tamo, tatapa natin, di ba?
Daddy Barber. Daddy. Yun yung
Yeah.
ano.
Yeah.
Pinag-isa ko sa kanya. Daddy.
Yeah.
Ang pinaka naalala ko is yung, ano yung kalinga ng mga barbero.
Yes. Siya pala yung ano nun. Siya pala
The
yung
head.
the head.
The foundation that they built for the people na hindi ma-reach ng mga barbero, kundi ang mga barbero mismo pupunta ron sa mga secluded area
Yeah.
para maggupit.
Yeah.
To give haircuts.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Daddy Barber, very kind. Oh, man.
Grabe yung advocacy niya para sa mga tao.
Oo.
To give free haircuts. And at the same time, it's not just pure business to him.
No.
Itong industry na to.
He-
He gave an opening. Ang dala niya pang mga barbers, high
Hindi biro.
followers. Yes.
Hindi biro mga barbero. Owen.
Yeah, Owen.
Daddy. Ay,
Yeah.
si Gunting Master.
Yes. Mga dala nila sa Kalingang Barbero. And shout out to Kalingang Barbero
Yes.
for the continuous binibigay nila sa tao.
Yes.
They just don't give haircuts. Namimigay rin sila mga ayuda, bro.
Kumbaga, napakita nila yung pagmamahal nila sa pamamagitan ng paggugupit.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Humanity.
Yes.
Humanity.
Yes.
They reach, pinakita nila yung pagbibigay o pinakita nila yung halaga ng humanity sa pamamagitan ng gupit.
Yes. Yes.
Shout out to you guys.
And then, the next one. Decal Republic. Yes.
God-
Decal Lord. Tsaka,
Oh man,
Tintin.
Tintin. Di kita malupit ka.
I think this could be one of the... Kasi dito sa Usapang Barbero natin, we're a very serious team almost. You know, we can talk about anything. Pero what I can remember from Decal Republic is yung story ni Chuck. How they started. Yung nanay niya, nagbebenta ng
Sticker.
sticker sakyan sa owner nila. Naalala mo? Now they're big. You know, and naalala ko kay Tintin. You know, Tintin, suot ko pa rin yung bracelet na inano ko sa'yo till now. She's really a person that shows now whatever happens in your life, she knows how to stay happy.
Yeah.
Gets?
Yeah. She gives joy.
Yes.
She gives joy. Di ko siya malilimutan na siya ang pinaka ng podcast guest na uminom sa tabi ko.
Yeah.
Tamang shot ka nun, te, no?
Oh. Man, that was a very fun episode. Talagang,
Masaya. Ano
Yeah.
pa nagamit nun?
yung ganun pa, yung mga kahoy.
Ayan yun, oh.
Oh, yung mga, buti nga hindi
Dalawa.
nahulog eh. Gets? Well, buti lang hindi nahulog sa Tintin.
Unforgettable episode and
Yeah.
a very inspiring episode from Decal Republic.
And, I don't know if there's gonna be okay with this. The podcast name, Garahe, was built here.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I can remember.
Yes. Yes. naging ano sila, we were also a tool for them to pursue something also.
Yo, let me be a guest there. Come on.
I'm waiting. What?
Come on.
Calling you out.
Come out. Bababa kami dyan. Sabihin nyo na schedule.
nga.
Ano ba yan?
Sheesh!
Tagal yan.
Hindi, baka nag-ano rin sila. Nag-ano muna sila
Perfect
ng mga
timing.
episode. Perfect timing for introduction on how Garahe released.
PPM ko na nga. Oh, hindi.
Yeah.
PPM ko na.
Yeah. Our next guest is Dodong the Gangster, bro. Naalala mo
Ito
to?
si Dodong, oh. Di siya nakadodong the gangster nun eh.
Yeah.
Meron pala siyang dalawang Ayan, my word, alter ego.
Alter ego. with Dodong, man, nakita ko yung character ng isang tao eh. Alam mo si Dodong, he's also a person that really tries to pursue something that he likes to do.
Yes.
Yung hindi siya pinigilan ng asawa niya to be the person that he is.
And also, he helps out.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, sa content na ginagawa niya, hindi pwedeng hindi kasama yung mga tropa niya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun na...
Everyone's eating. Pero serious daw to pag film time. Yeah.
Yeah, di biro yung content na yun.
Oh no, bro. Kailangan maano talagang...
Kailangan matalas ka dun.
Yeah.
Matalas ka dun, malakas ang loob mo. Si Briefman, naalala mo si Briefman?
Oh, yun nanalo rin sa atin ng
Tropa na yun eh.
Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations to you guys.
Bila mo nga na set ng brief yan.
Bobs na nakalagay. Sa gitna. Pero
Bobs brief.
Dodong the Gangster, I know it was almost like a funny episode. Pero to come deeper thinking na man, may mga tao talaga na they don't care. As long as they're happy,
And it's
wala
making
silang
them,
tinatapakan.
and also it's making the money.
Yeah.
Hindi ka naman naagrabyado, ba't kailangan mong i-hate?
Yeah.
Diba? Siya pa rin nagkwento na about na meron may threat sa kanya.
Oh, threats. Mga
What the,
ganun.
why would you threat that person?
Yeah,
He
again,
gives
laughter.
joy.
Laughter, joy.
The hell?
Oh, man. Next is si Jeff.
Garcia?
Yeah, ang
Tama ba ako?
Philippine barber, I think. I don't remember last name ni Jeff.
Garcia?
Garcia.
Okay, anyhow.
So si Jeff was one of the person that invited us para maging part nung event, nung unang Babs event. Siya yung naging opener para ma-introduce yung sa kanila yung page, yung Barber Community PH. Yung interview tayo dito.
With the one with the shoe cleaning too.
Yes.
And also the person, he's a hustler, bro.
Bro, this is a connect to Impeccable Shoes.
Oh.
Guys, mamaya i-stitch up ko lahat paano nag-connect to land where we're at now.
Tama ako, di ba?
Si Jeff.
Si Jeff nga.
Yeah.
Yung merong ihaw.
Ihaw. Yung
Oh.
nagtatayo siya ng mga maliliit na business.
Oh.
And he has a
What
shoe
is
business.
what's the shoe business name?
Soul.
Soul.
Basta, mamaya, bakita niya pa na nakalimutan. Ha?
Bawal niyo ba sabihin?
Hindi. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko makakompleto yung pangalan ng shoes. Yeah.
Di naman Soul. Soul Slam kay Argira yun eh.
Oh, soul
Anyhow.
something. Yeah. For me, Jeff was a door opener too. Kasi without Jeff inviting Babs para dito sa event na ginawa nila, hindi ko makakatabi yung supplier ng solution ngayon. And Jeff believed in Babs too. Na pinakita niya sa barber community that Babs can stand out.
Yeah.
So, without Jeff, hindi rin mangyayari yung Impeccable Shoes right away. Kasi I met the right people right next to me
Because of Jeff.
because of Jeff. Na nag-exchange kami ng business card. Sabi namin sa isa't isa, I don't know how we're gonna work together, but maybe in the future we will. Then boom.
It happened.
Yeah. Nung naisip ko yung idea, tawag ko kay Jeff. Jeff, nawala saan yung business card ng katabi ko? Ano nga pala? Boom. He connected it to me. Called them. Boom. Training. Gets? And mamaya may ko-connect natin si Moab, si Deagle Republic to a certain point too. Kita mo naging ano rin natin sila.
Network.
Naging network and naging bridges natin na paano tayo nakarating to a certain thing. So it's very important to keep your bridges clean.
Yeah.
And at the same time to network with people kasi it really brings out a talent is just a talent. Importante yun mag-network ka.
Oh, naman.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Palabas mo yun.
oh. And well, having a network is the kind of work too.
Yeah.
You know, it's a
Part
work.
of it.
No, it's a real serious work
Yes.
to build a connection and for you
Yes.
to get the trust of those people.
Yes. Next guest natin is si Barax Nikap.
Let me remember this.
San Pablo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Si Kuya na sikat na manggugupit sa San Pablo.
Yung solo siya.
Oh,
Yeah.
yo man, a very nice person. Nakita ko barbershop nandun. Nag-ikot kami ni George sa for
Yeah.
Babs.
Yeah. Oh, man, you
Oh.
guys did that too. Damn.
Nagtanong kami sa kanya na, "Oh, bro, saan kaya meron pang barbershop dito na pwede namin mabisita para mahikayat namin si Babs?"
You remember we were training each other how to talk to people, ganun.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, we had kung alam nyo lang. Kung alam nyo lang. Di ba? Bro, we were training each other how to speak to barbershop owners, different scenarios. Marami na kami pinagdaanan dito, guys.
Oo, no?
Yeah. But that was a skill set.
And then na-execute namin yun na maayos.
Yes.
Talking to different type of people.
Yes. And different scenarios, di ba?
Different scenarios.
Grabe, no? Para
Merong
tayong screenplay.
pagtanggap, merong mong hindi.
Yeah.
Merong pagtanggap, merong hindi. Pero pag naipaliwanag mo na maayos, tatanggapin ka nila.
Yes.
And pag napaliwanag mo na ayos kung ano yung oportunidad na pwede mo maibigay sa kanila, they will accept it.
Yes. Yes. So Barax Nikap was he's a breakthrough barber also.
Oo.
Na ano ko na marami kasali rin siya sa Kalingang Barbero eh.
Yes.
That I see that he pursues his dream no matter what happens. He keeps doing what he's doing para sa barber industry and para survival of the daily life too.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Barax Nikap. Ganda rin ang pangalan, no? Itong susunod naman, ito po yung unang absent si JP. Si Sam's the Barber.
Absent ako dyan.
Oh, ewan ko, may show kayata na to eh. Then sabi ko, sige, may lagnat kayata.
May absent ako.
Something. Si Sam's the Barber is from,
Oh, I cannot forget. That is February 17.
oh,
It is. Alam ko, gusto ko pang humabol niyan, pero
Yeah, sabi
di mo
ko
na
wag
talaga ako pinayagan.
sabi ko, wag na. Kaya na. Ito challenge sa akin to eh. Kasi sabi ko, shit, ako lang, snap. Ako lang mag-i-interview mag-isa dun sa guest. Wala akong katandem na batuhan natin.
Batuan ng
Yeah.
ideya, saluhan, sa
Yeah.
ganito, sa ganyan.
So one thing that I can remember, I remember his story too. Yung mag-asawa na nagkalayo, na nagkabalikan din.
They took a break too, huh?
Hope, yeah. That there's hope on everything. And despite how small his shop is, he's very prideful on
What
the
he
things that
built.
he accomplished. So yun yung one thing that I can remember from him. And what I can remember for myself was, oh snap, I was able to do it. Kasi na-invite na eh. Di ba? Oy, cancel.
On the way na.
Yeah, he was already here. He was very excited with his wife. And then 18.5, ito yung pang siningit natin eh. Dahil to kay Jeff,
Okay.
si Catch a Barber worldwide.
Catch a fade.
Catch a Fade.
Oh man, I will never forget that person.
Yeah. Di ba?
Man, international barber. Wait, he has a podcast right now.
He does too?
He does.
I only see the cut, but I didn't know he has a podcast now.
Bro, nakita ko
Yo,
meron
Catch
siya,
a Fade, man.
meron siyang mga I think that's just so real.
Yeah.
Na he's talking to some people.
Yeah.
But I think that's on a podcast too. Maybe it is his podcast, but
Yeah.
I think it is his.
Mm.
Oh, baka sa kanya yun. So, what I can say about that Filipino guy.
Yeah.
Filipino eh.
Yeah, yeah.
Pinoy. Pero, man, ano ba? Maramdaman mo yung angas niya talaga.
Yeah.
Unang tingin mo sa kanya, ooh, there's something with this guy.
Yeah. And we were, the funny thing is we were from the same,
Cali rin yun.
yeah, we were just from the same hood. We knew the same people. So what I can what I can remember from that interview is it gave me back a certain piece of me
Oo.
with the barber industry nung nakita ko siya. Sabi ko, man, this is where I was at.
Oo.
Pero it didn't differentiate the story masyado na tiga stage siya, tiga dito tayo. Na parang I think at the end of the day we gave him more learnings. You know? So it was positioning myself to the point na I'm not far behind.
Oh.
You know? Kasi doon ko nakita na, damn, we were able to develop an app that they don't have yet.
Yes, meron sila, di ba, Cuts.
Yeah, something. Pero yung magbubuk
Cuts
sa...
app.
Oo.
Bukasit.
Bukasit. Yung scale natin, doon ko lalong, damn. You know what I mean?
Kami, Buka Barber.
Yeah. Right to your doorstep, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And then, sheesh! Here we go. Bugoy.
Bugoy na ba after Catch a Fade?
Yes.
Talaga, bago mag-Frank?
Bugoy muna.
Oh.
We were just manifesting, Frank.
Since episode 1, we were manifesting Frank.
Episode 1 si Frank na yung gusto.
Oh.
It took a lot more episodes before we got to Frank.
Alright, so Bugoy.
Let me tell the story before you
Go
go.
ahead.
So let me tell the story. Alright. So dito natin i-stitch up.
Okay.
So let's go back to episode 6 nung nakilala natin si Moab. Nung na-interview natin si Moab, correct? Then Moab introduced us to Decal Republic na ma-interview natin si Decal Republic.
Yeah.
Decal Republic invited us to go to the event
That's why.
nung sa Alabang.
Oo.
So nung nandun ako, first time ko nag-interview ng mga tao na gets yung vlog,
Oh,
Oh,
interview. Ilan yung interview mo nun?
3, 4. Sabi ko kay Harvey, may mga big celebrities din dun eh. Pero ang hirap talagang lapitan na eh kasi nasa stage sila. And then, natapos ko na yung 2. Sabi ko kay Harvey, 3. Tapos biglang pumasok si Bugoy. Sabi ko, oh snap! Si Boogie! You know? Pero I was very intimidated. Sabi ko, well, how am I gonna approach this guy? Siyempre kasama sila Kika, sila Pudo,
The
ganun
boys.
surrounding yung part the boys, man.
The
I was
boys.
like, oh shit, man, how am I gonna approach them? Alam mo yun? Pero before we speak about Bugoy, nakita mo yung bridge, episode 6, si Moab. Si Moab nag-introduce sa atin kay Decal Republic, episode 14. And then, doon ko na nilapitan si Bugoy after nung in-invite tayo ni Moab. Ni Decal Republic.
Tigal.
Nakita ko si Bugoy, naglakas loob na lang ako na, brother, baka pwedeng ma-interview kita. Sabi niya, tungkol saan? Tungkol sa buhok. Wala buhok, di ba? So, very awkward stage. Tapos sinabi ko na meron tayong podcast.
Very awkward stage.
Yeah, I was kinakabahan ako noon, nanginginig tuhod ko eh. Boogie, ko alam mo lang.
Kung.
Yeah, ko alam mo lang. And then, from then on, man, doon ko nakita yung personality ni Bugoy na
Walang ano.
maangas.
Pero,
Pero very down to earth na tao.
walang maangas, pero walang angas. Gets mo ba? Gets mo ba?
Yeah.
He never looked down on someone.
No,
You
bro.
will never see.
Yeah, sabi pa nga ni Bugoy. Sabi ko, bro, baka pwede ka naman ma-invite sa podcast namin. Sabi niya, sino ko? Si JP Bacalian. Yung singer. Yung singer? Teka lang, nagugupit din ba yun? Kasi sabi ko yung title ng natin, Usapang Barbero. Sabi niya, anong pag-uusapan natin doon? Tungkol sa buhok? Sabi ko, hindi, G, ano lang naman. Para
Imagine ko yung action yung, duh.
sabi ko, no bro, it's parang, para ka lang nagpagupit sa barbershop. Barber talk. Sabi niya, sige. Pero gusto ko, episode 20 ako. Bro, nung nakilala ko si Bugoy, we were at episode 15 or 16.
Oh.
15 siguro ito. And then it took a while. And then one day, chinat ko na siya, di ba? Sabi ko, bro, baka pwede ka naman ma-imbita. Sabi niya, nung episode na ba kayo? Sabi ko, basta nasa tayo before sa kanya eh. Sabi ko, mag-episode 19, baka pwede ka. Kasi ito yung pa-launch yung app natin eh.
Yes.
Siya yung last guest natin before mag-launch yung
launching, before
Babs.
February 28.
Yes.
Okay.
So yun na. Nung nag-oo siya, 'di ba, confirm time. Guess ilan sila sa pagkain.
Dami.
Grabe yung feeling na, oh my God, this is really happening. Bugoy is really coming.
Ang dami rin
Tapos
natin
hindi
dito.
ko sabihin. Ito behind the scenes lang eh. Nung nag-confirm si La Bruja na sabi ni Boogie, message mo sa La Bruja, siya nakakalam ng schedule ko. Tapos, nagbigay na ng schedule. Kailan po kayo pwede? Sabi ni Bugoy, ikaw yung message ko po. Ganon. Chat siya ng date. Sabi ko, sige po, time. Sabi ko, 3 p.m. usually. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakabahan na ako. Kasi syempre, Bugoy na okay ko yung pinag-uusapan natin, di ba? Syempre, TF. You know? Tapos sabi ko, ma'am, ilan po kayo para makapag-prepare po kami ng food na maayos? Sabi niya, ganito kami. Tapos, basta wala lang pork. Ganon. Order. Di ba? Sarap ng pagkain natin. And then, ito na yung question na hindi ko maitanong dun sa chat. Ma'am, question lang po. Pag nagaganito ba si Bugoy ng guest, how much po yung tala? Kasi confirm time, confirm date, confirm ilan sila.
EF na.
Sabi ko, shit. I'm sorry. Nag-ano kami nila, si Harvey yata nandito nun eh. Sabi ko, wait, ano ba? Tatanungin ko ba? Kasi baka mamaya bigla tayong magulat. Pagdating nila, yung talent fee, wala pa naman tayong budget na ganun, di ba? Tapos, sabi ko, ma'am, pag nag-guesting po ba si Bugoy, usually, magkano po yung guesting fee niya? Sabi niya, wala po siyang sinabi. Bro, I was jumping to joy here. Sabi ko, oh my God. Kung alam mo lang, Bugoy. Kung napanood siguro niya to. Sana pa ni sinigil ko yung chat tayo. Nag-expect pala eh. Pero doon ko nakita. G, kita mo ha. Sabi ko sa'yo si Bugoy yung unang natin eh. Rapper na guess eh.
Oh, yeah.
Gets?
Yeah,
So
sunod na after.
Doon ko nakita how down to earth this guy is willing to travel all the way down here. Kasi tinanong nila eh, ano po yung map namin nakita? Di ba? Pero they still went on the date, on the time. You know, ang dami natin dito.
Oo.
Nalala mo, di ba? Dinaanan pa ng police kasi napakadaming
Dami
kotse sa labas.
Dahil naka-park.
Ang daming mga tiga dito sa Laguna na naghihintay.
Meron talagang live guest.
Yes. I think the feeling that I got from that was nothing was really impossible.
Oh boy.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo
sabihin
kanina?
ko rin eh. Nothing is really impossible, no?
When you put your heart into something and you have the balls to do it,
The manifestation.
Bro, it's gonna happen.
It is really going to happen. When you believe that it's going to happen, it is going to happen.
Now let's talk about the guests. Bugoy, bro, what can you say?
Possibilities. And this guy have given me too a lot of possibilities.
Yes.
Hindi niya ako binigyan ng negative vibration. Hindi niya ako binigyan ng negative energy.
Yeah.
I was actually intimidated while we were doing a podcast.
Bro, kabado din ako nun eh.
Pero nung tinapik niya na ako, tinapik niya ako on my energy. Tinapik niya ako. Then he showed me how positive he is. Then na nag-click.
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
That
Sabi ang
guy-
haba ng questions nun, di ba? Nag-prepare pa tayo.
Dami.
20-something yata question
Oo.
natin nun eh.
Pero the guy is giving you, he kept on reminding me how you should be a man. A
Yeah.
man. A
Yeah.
legitimate man.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm aiming to be a man of God.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
how worth a man is.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon at kung anong klaseng, at kung ano man yung ginagawa mo,
Yeah.
magaling ka dyan.
Yeah. Yeah. Very
Oo.
true. Very true. One thing that truly nag-stick talaga sa akin when we got Bugoy to come here was, yes, nothing is impossible with God, but him as a person, man, Boogie is a different breed. His work ethic, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. He might seem like
Oh,
from features, pero his work ethic, bro.
he is a healthy man.
Yeah.
He's a person with targets.
Yeah.
A very an inspiring man. That's it. That's all I
Yeah.
can say. In terms of health,
Yeah.
in terms of dreams,
Yeah.
in terms of how to be a man.
Yeah. Boogie, we want to thank you kasi binigay mo sa aming opportunity dito sa Usapang Barbero. Really scaled up Usapang Barbero.
And that was the day. That was the day when this guy told him na mag-collab kami.
Yeah, on live, no? Di na ako nag-hesitate eh. Kasi nakausap ko na nga si Bugoy eh. Sabi ko, hindi na ako, bahala na si Batman. Kasi alam ko, hindi na natin kailangan anuhin pa yung major details. Pero alam ko during that time, it was hard to ask. You know what I mean? Kasi favor na yun eh. Yung pumunta siya eh, di ba? And situations, it was hard to ask. Pero God just nag-whisper sa akin, sabi mo, collab silang JP.
And then yeah, it is happening right now. And
Manifestation.
we will go to our car right after this and we will listen to the 5 tracks.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Kita nyo yan? Manifestation, guys. Nothing is impossible. Yan yung maano ko sa episode ni Bugoy, episode 19. And then after that, we did our soft lunch of Babsap. Dami nangyayari nun, di ba? During that time.
Dami.
Oh, yung
Dami nating storya talaga, boy.
delay yung pag-lunch ng app, hindi wala pa sa Google, na hinihintay pa natin.
Sa iOS, ang tagal mag-lunch.
yeah.
Pero it is happening. It's really, really happening.
Yeah. Yeah. Man. Next guest, Raph Davis. Lapit na tayo.
This guy.
Galing.
This guy. Ito talaga, ang tagal ko nang kilala ng taong to ever since day one.
Shout out to you, brother.
Kasama ko na to. But this guy also shows me how all things are possible too.
Yeah.
This guy is a go-getter.
Yeah.
Na madami rin siya pinagdaanan. This, that, and this and that. But this guy is a brother to me.
Yeah.
Because he's a brother to my brother.
Yeah.
Best friend eh.
Yeah.
So this guy is a brother to me. And whenever we see each other sa mga events, climbing at the top, kasabay ko to. Sa totoo lang, kasabay ko siya sa industry na to. And
Yeah.
I let him record at Mark Beats.
Yeah.
And yeah, the story, the history starts for Raph Davis
Yeah.
as a rapper here in the Philippines.
Yeah. With Ralph Davis, one of the major factor that I got from him was despite daming nangyari sa kanya,
He keeps
he didn't
pushing.
he didn't give up. He didn't let the issues tame him. He
He fought.
He fought his way back, and he's still fighting right now.
Yes, he's doing it.
Shout out sa you, bro.
Very good.
Yeah. Shout out sa you.
Di niya talaga siya maintindihan pag di siya kilala.
Yeah. Very true. Very true. Speaking to him in person, different breed also.
Yeah, okay.
Next, oh man, this guy, Paulin Ballin.
Ballin. My
Grabe, story na to, no? Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah.
He's still, as of now, he's an established rap icon here in the Philippines.
Yup.
And big shout out to him. Na
Yeah.
yun, keeping his feet on the ground.
Yup.
But yet, very humble.
Yeah.
Na yun, di mo mararamdaman sa kanya. Hindi, artist ako eh. Yung ganong vibe. No.
Yeah.
Never. In our circle, never.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, he's one of my inspiration too. That's why I keep pushing in my end.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Si
man,
Paul, man,
Paulin Ballin.
what I can remember for this guy, ang angas.
Yes.
Ang angas ni Paul, pero super humble.
Very humble.
Ang angas siya tignan, yung parang, pang tatina to talaga si Paul no? Pag tinitingnan ko, man, he was like the Iverson. I felt like I was looking at Iverson during the interview. But the story that, how he came up was, man, tulog sa tricycle. He
Man.
kept on fighting. He kept on fighting. And now he's still fighting too. And the man, nakita natin siya sa event ni YB.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, all love, bro.
Yes.
You feel
Weekend
you feel legitimate love.
yeah, respect.
Man, shout out Paul.
Bait yan.
Yeah, super
Kapatid ko yan.
guys. Super. Next one, man, ito yung talagang isang tumatak sa podcast natin, YB.
Oh, man. A man with a lot of possibilities too. A
Yeah.
man that, isa siya sa mga taong nagbigay sa akin ng dahilan para mas matiwala pa sa kung anong kayang gawin ng Panginoon sa buhay natin.
Amen. Yeah.
That God really listens.
Yeah.
Big shout out to you, my brother.
So YB, you used this term already. I think that was the last episode. A prophet.
Yeah, prophet.
Yeah.
He's kind of prophet.
Yeah, he's
He
a
loves
God
Jesus.
believer. He's a sponge.
Oh.
Soaking in ideas. He stayed after the podcast. Like he said, no, pwede magstay kami to get more learnings. He's a very open book, willing
Yeah.
to keep on writing, keep on learning.
Yes.
And so far, I don't know if he announced it to the world. He's working on a project which is very big too. Man, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And you're an inspiration. Para sa akin, you're an inspiration kasi ang dami mong sinabi na tumatak sa isip ko till now.
Oh,
Hindi ko
hell
makakalimutan.
yes. Totoo yan. Same.
Yeah. Ito lang talaga, just to reminisce. Pag sinisisi mo yung iba, ang layo mo pa.
Oo.
Pag sinisisi mo yung sarili mo, malapit ka na. Pag wala ka ng sinisisi, nandun ka na. Damn, di natanggal niya sa isip ko. So I stopped blaming anything for any downfalls except for myself. Kasi I chose that route. So I can't blame people.
Exactly right.
You know what I'm saying? So now I'm very diligent on every move that I do because of that learning that I got from this young kid.
Wow.
Yeah. Gets. Pati yung gets ko, dun ko nakukuha. kay Boogie tsaka kay YB, gets.
I mean, gets.
Gets. Gets mo, gets. Gets.
Oo nga.
Oh, di ba? Gets. Yeah. And then the next one, si JB Bete,
Oh, the guy.
the crypto guy.
The crypto guy. How is he? I saw him working with my boys. I mean, with my crew.
Yeah.
Crypto World.
Yeah.
Kuya Renmar.
Yeah.
He's working with them, I can see.
Mm.
So I guess he's doing well.
Yeah, this kid really came from nothing too. Kept pursuing what he wanted to do in
Yeah.
life. Nakita ko lang siya nung undas eh.
Oh.
Still working, bro. And that's what's so cool about this kid is he doesn't give up. You know, he has big dreams that he wants to achieve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crypto guy.
Yeah.
Well, crypto is actually it will give you a lot of things that you cannot believe.
Yes. Very
have-
true.
Kung may holds ka, ako.
Yes.
Lalo ngayon, malapit na bull run.
Yes.
And if Trump wins, oh man, it's a big effect.
Yes. Very true. Very true. Next one. Tough love.
Oh, the humble boys.
Yes.
But yet, a very good and a very strategic people.
Yes. Malapit na daw yung 1 year nila. He's inviting us to their 1 year.
Saan?
I think November.
Wala pa naman PM sa akin eh.
Hindi pa nila na-announce eh. Inaayos pa nila yung event. Pero nagpahapiyaw na sa akin na tayong dalawa if we can go to their 1 year event.
Sure, bro.
Yeah. What I can remember from them too,
Teamwork.
teamwork and dedication on pursuing something that you really
Yes.
love. Not relying on anyone.
Anyone.
Kahit, you know, yung isa cameraman, negosyante.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? But a
Yes.
perfect combo.
Pero yeah, totoo yan.
A good
Yeah.
combo.
A marketer
Yeah.
and a visualizer.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, Rodfield.
Kuya Rod.
Yeah.
Kuya Rod.
Yeah.
Kuya Rod is a kuya to me.
Yeah.
Napakabait na tao. Go-getter.
Yeah.
And masipag, sobrang sipag. Kasi kung nasan man siya ngayon dahil yun sa kasipagan niya. Because he never
course.
lets anything...
And si ate. Yeah.
Si ate, Ate Queen. Oh,
Yeah.
forgot your name pero love kita.
He does.
And then, hindi ko siya makalimutan pero nang talagang pangalan niya kasi sa Facebook, Queen Unicorn eh. Queen
Yeah.
Unicorn.
Yeah.
So anyhow, ate and Kuya Rodfield yan. The good combination. Ate,
Layo pa ng drive nila, no?
Quezon City yun eh.
Ito lahat ng guests natin, si Ralph Davis, galing pang Pampanga. Ano ba to?
Mabanga.
Damn!
Yan, si Kuya Rod galing pa yan ng Quezon City Commonwealth.
Damn! Si YB Pasay.
Ah,
Bolin.
Makati.
Sinundo mo ba?
Sinundo ko yan.
Grabe! Di ba? Wow.
Yeah, Kuya Rodfield is a good kuya. Yun yung sabi ko, good
What I can
kuya.
remember from Kuya Rodfield was not to give up to. They've been in a lot of ups and downs.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung natalo siya, naloko siya.
And sa ngayon, nanaloko pa rin siya.
Oh,
Pero,
yeah.
alam mo yun, he never stops.
May sinabi siya eh. Charge it to experience ba yun?
Charge to experience.
Yeah. Yeah.
But, yeah, man. Siyempre, kailangan mo rin matuto ba?
Grabe pala yung storage ng memory natin, no? Tara mo naalala natin yung...
Kung ilang episodes na, di ba?
Yeah.
I think we will remember.
Kuya Rodfield, maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo dito.
You the best.
Nasiraan pa yun before.
Oh,
The day before ng podcast natin.
Yung, nila,
Pero
Starex
tumuloy
nila.
pa rin siya.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Si Top Spec Allen.
Top Spec Allen. A very humble guy.
Yeah.
Yet, a businessman.
Yes.
Meron siyang
Meron
ano,
siyang
diba?
shop ngayon.
Yung midnight
Yung oil change sa gabi.
Oil change sa gabi.
Yeah.
Which is really, totoo.
Yeah.
No, merong magpapa-change oil ng gabi sa area niya. Anong area siya?
QC.
And he's a racer, bro.
Yeah.
Man, he got the market.
Yeah. With Top Spec, what I learned from him is just to be yourself.
Yes.
Just to be yourself. You don't have
Yes.
to prove anything to anyone. Just be yourself.
Yes. Totoo yan. Just be yourself. Just do what
Yeah.
makes you happy.
Yeah.
Makes you whole. Make you
Yeah.
feel loved and grateful.
Yes. Top Spec Allen. Layo rin na to. Grabe, no?
Quezon City din yan. Yung karera
Yeah.
niya nga lagi sa Pampanga, sa Tarlac.
Yeah.
I'll follow you, bro.
Yeah.
And yung mga content na
We
about
see you, G.
ESC, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, yung mga content na nire-release niya is about cars. I mean, paano mo alagaan
Yeah,
sakyan mo.
And
He's
make
good.
something out of nothing too. Yung mga hindi mo expected na will turn out to be,
Something.
yeah. Yung nakikita niya yung good into something and turn it to a better thing. That's so good. 28, si Rafael, bro. Si Raf.
Raf, hey bro. Ano, iniintay kita dito eh.
Yeah. Season 3. For Rafael, bro, I have so much things to say. But as a guest and as a brother, what I can say is matured a lot.
Okay, yeah.
Kasi nakita ko yung ano niya. Nakita ko yung how he grew. Ikaw naman, syempre ako, biased.
As
yun sa
JB
totoo
Bakal
ko eh.
yan, I mean, I really, di naman kami ganun ka-close ni Raf eh.
Mm.
Pero the first time I met him, magaan.
Yeah.
Very welcoming person. And
Yeah.
he is willing to listen to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now he's back. Now he's able to open one of our stores in Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga.
Is it already operating?
It's October 18th. Grabe
Wow.
na opening namin. Sa
Good.
Sunday, sa Los Baños. Then the following day, punta kami ng Pampanga for
Good.
San Fernando opening.
Go for it.
Yes, sir.
Impeccable shoes going
Yes, sir.
nationwide.
Oh, you are. Next, one of the biggest guests that we didn't think we were gonna hit this year, si Boss Toyo.
My man.
Yes, sir.
My boss. Technically my boss.
Yeah.
And that person. What can you say about that episode?
Man, a lot of learnings with Boss Toyo. It was almost hitting a gem na you wouldn't expect an early podcast to hit.
Yeah.
You know.
Within this year?
Yeah.
Oh man, within 1 year,
Yeah, within 1 year na.
Na
kasi-
mahit.
yeah.
na mahit natin yung one of the top
Social media influencers
social
in the
media
Philippines.
person in the Philippines.
Yeah. With Boss Toyo, man, I truly appreciate what you have done for us too, giving us your valuable time.
Yeah.
I know you do a lot of things also, pero you were there to do our podcast and also let us use your office at the same time. Ito na yung nagta-travel. Ito yung unang travel natin for podcast, no?
Oo, sumunod-sunod na.
Ito na yung first experience namin ni JP na nag-travel kami, set up the podcast in a different place. Different scenario, different atmosphere. It was for me, it was another nothing is impossible.
Yeah, you just gotta work for it.
Yeah, and JP was able to lock that in, and fortunate na, I mean, to be able to interview a Boss Toyo and to be part of the lineup that we had this year. It's really another ano sa akin yung para sa atin na nothing is really impossible.
1 year, nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
And what did I get from that episode? Well, Boss Toyo is a friend of mine ever
Yeah.
since.
Yeah.
And has given me a lot of opportunities too. Doors na hindi ko inaakala.
Yeah.
A move na akala ko di ko kayang gawin.
Yeah.
And that person just believed in me since day one.
Yeah, he was there for you, bro.
Mapa meron o wala.
Yeah.
That guy.
Yeah.
I know his story. I know who he is. But, you know, man, thank you. Yun ang masabi ko. Salamat sa'yo.
Yeah, thank you.
Poof.
Yeah.
Naman yun, mapabilang ako sa bigayan as one of the main hosts.
Yeah.
Because of my homie, my friend, my brother,
Yeah.
Jason Luzadas.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I love you, bro.
Yes,
That's it,
sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir. And of course, man, a big one. Frank. Woo!
A man of wisdom.
Alam nyo, guys, this was really a big thing para sa amin ni JP. Is connect na naman eh. From Moab to Bugoy. Ay, hindi, to Jeff, to Moab, to Decal Republic, to
Decal.
Bugoy, to Frank. I mean, no sugarcoating. We knew that Frank was one of the
Oh, yeah.
when it comes to podcasts, he was really one of the top na kailangan mong ma-hit to say that your podcast has really been somewhere in Bugoy.
Exactly.
Yung parang mga ganun level. Pero grabe yung scale of list natin eh. Kasi grabe na yung mga names na minimension natin, di ba?
Pagrabi pa ng pagrabi yan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, he's a man of wisdom. I've learned a lot from that guy.
Yeah.
And I've been following his social medias.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
You just gotta do it. Stop thinking too much. Just put work
Yes.
because you will figure it out.
And
at
you
the long road.
reverse psychology niya na why you saying slow? You can do it.
Faster. Oh,
Yeah.
you can do it fast.
Naalala ko yata nun. Kasi right now, I'm experiencing what Frank was experiencing during his MNLA run. When he said he was opening store 10
10 shops.
10 shops. na
It's
ganun.
already open, right?
Yeah.
It's already
been
10.
open. Yeah. It's already 10. The learnings that you get from this guy is really to the next level. Na very thankful that he sat down on his chair and share his knowledge.
Mhm.
A very big thing para sa ating dalawa, para sa Usapang Barbero, para sa Babzap. It's an honor to have a Frank Mendoza
Oh,
sitting in a podcast like this.
Minanifest ka namin since
Eh,
day one.
nagbiyahe sila dito, G.
Yeah.
Isipin mo, si Bugoy sumama pa ulit.
From Alabang.
Oh,
di ba?
alam niya na yung travel down here, hindi biro, pero they were here as a team. And that's when I saw unity between friendships. Di ba? Doon mo nakita yung tapos dito pa na Bulgar yung story ni Frank, paano nagkakilala sila Kika, paano sa di ba? Nagkaroon pa tayong short episode. Which is, I truly appreciate, kapatid, kasi hearing their story, a lot of people are trying to dig in their story.
Yes.
Pero tayo, we had the
Hinain
access.
eh. Oo.
We had the access. Yung benefit na, wow, thank you for sharing that to us too.
Inihain sa atin ni God.
Yeah.
This is the
Yeah.
boy, so
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah. Wow. Frank Mendoza, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
And another big one, man. Dane Grospe.
Eto na.
Yeah.
Kuya Dane, thank
Ito
you.
puro travel na tayo.
Travel na to.
Oo.
Kuya Dane, thank you for giving me a chance na makausap ka. We've been seeing each other sa mga pa-shows and events ni Toyo.
Yeah.
Pareho pa kaming naligaw papunta ron sa Regada.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, a humble guy
Very.
with a clear vision of what he has to do.
Yes.
And also, what you call this? A man of family,
Yeah.
Talagang talagang pinagpapahalagahan niya kung ano yung meron siya at
Yes.
meron ng partner niya.
Yes.
The journey,
Yes.
the journey that they have faced together.
Yes.
Nag-break din ba sila nun? Or
Yes. Naghiwalay sila.
Right?
Nagsapalikan sila.
Nag-separate sila
Yeah.
to find themselves
Eh?
and then be back together.
Eh? May pinaparinggan yata to si JP Bakal yan dito sa podcast.
Wala,
natin.
boy.
Pero very true.
Right?
And for me, Dane was one of the guys that I used to watch only on social media.
Oo.
And you were able to put this together.
Yeah.
It really showed our consistency dito sa Usapang Barbero natin where it can lead us again. And yung shop na tinitignan ko during podcast, during mga contents niya, was able to sit there, and now we're the one who's creating the video at his shop.
Yeah.
Right?
On that same place.
Yeah, same place. I was like,
Where you
man,
do
God,
coin flip.
yeah, God really, man, work his magic. He really shows his true powers na anything is possible with me, anak. Kasi pinapanood ko lang talaga eh. Gets mo? To the point na tayo na yung nakaupo doon, gumagawa tayo ng video. And also Dane was a good example of a good businessman too.
Yes. Yes.
He takes care of his team, bro. Nakita ko yung ano niya, yung nasa cash register niya.
Oh.
So-
But yeah.
Yeah.
Anyhow, that's his crew.
Yeah, his crew. He takes care of them like family too.
Yes.
You know, and he's growth to me. You know, I saw the hustle in him. He never gives up. He keeps pursuing what he wants, entering ventures that can level him up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I was like, man, Dane is an inspiration. Yeah. Last one natin na guess. After ng guess na to, nag-stick na tayo sa atin na lang eh.
Yes. Antonio,
Antonio Aguirre.
the man who challenged us for episode 100.
100.
And on the episode 100, you will be the guest again.
Yes.
And you will be
Antonio.
coming here.
Yes. Yes. Kasi ano na tayo ngayon? 42.
Oh.
Ilan na lang
Ano lang, magpag-iisanda na to. But for me-
Araw-arawin kayo natin para mabilis to.
kaya mo ba?
Sheesh. With our schedule now, oh my gosh. Sa kotse na
Boy.
lang tayo mag-podcast.
But yeah, man. Antonio Aguirre is a man of vision too.
Woo!
A very well-connected guy at the same time.
Yeah.
But yet, nakita ko rin sa kanya kung gaano kahalaga ang health.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, to sustain that kind of appearance and that kind of body at the age of 40.
Yes.
I mean, damn, bro.
Yeah.
That's all I can
Antonio.
say. Damn. But yeah, Antonio Aguirre, he has given us a challenge to reach 100 episode, and that is what we're going to do. We will
Yes, sir.
see you on the
100.
episode 100 Usapang Barbero here exclusively
Yes.
at Pila Laguna.
Yes, sir. Antonio was for me was a reminder of you have to be happy.
Yes.
You have to be happy with the things that you do.
Yes.
Gets, naalala mo yung sinabi niya yan.
Yes.
And at the same time, he's also a reminder on how to communicate. You don't ever say minsan pinag-aaralan ko pa rin paano niya nagagawa yun. You don't say you're busy. You just higher priorities.
Yes. I
Right
just
now,
have
as of today.
higher priorities. Sorry.
Yeah,
I will never use the word busy. I just have high priorities.
right now. Grabe. no? Damn.
Parang hirap simulan.
Yeah. Yo, sorry I can't attend you but I just have higher priorities right now.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Sorry bro, medyo meron akong high priorities eh.
Yeah.
Parang pero ang gaan pakinggan
Yeah.
kesa sa busy.
Kasi he said, when you say you're busy, it's just I don't have time for you, bro. Pag you know, I don't know. You know, and
Yun at yun mismo ang pagkakasabi niya.
yeah.
Yung words na, di ba?
Communication was one of the things that I learned from Antonio, bro.
Yes.
It's the way you approach things.
I mean, his story, man.
yeah, man.
From
And-
a call center guy.
And I found out a deeper insight because yung partner
Partner.
namin dito sa was, man, Antonio is really,
He is.
yeah.
He is.
Yeah, man. So far, guys, Usapang Barbero, we had 36 guests.
Yes.
Pero yung last few episode namin, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41,
42.
42. 6 episodes. Nag-stick muna kami between me and JP.
Oh, with
I think with what happened with us, what we had a deeper learning
deeper.
between each other.
Deeper.
Kasi yung push natin was let's get guests. Na parang between me and you, the communication wasn't the way it is now.
Yes. Different.
Yeah.
But, alam mo, nasa process yun.
yeah.
Yung mga guest.
Yes.
Kasi ang main priority natin is to connect
yes.
para makapag-produce ng tamang sasabihin para sa guest.
yes.
Ngayon, ito yung binigyan tayo ni God ng pagkakataon to talk deep
Yes.
each other after ng mga guest.
Yes.
And we are facing a lot of different scenarios,
Yes.
different people.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And when we talk, tayong dalawa,
Yeah.
mas naging fruitful
Yes.
kasi walang barrier sa atin.
Yeah.
There's no barrier.
That's true.
I mean, mumura sana ako pero bawal yun.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no barrier all we have to talk about is how are we? What are the words na talagang nag-struck sa'yo during this week?
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? I mean, with those hard works that you put, kamusta ka?
Yeah.
And by that, our main priority pa din is to produce words of wisdom and words of
Yes.
realizations para sa mga viewers natin na talaga namang they're working their ass off also
Yes.
to be where they at right now.
Yes. And of course, last but not least, he is not a guest. He's always present
Yeah.
in every episode.
Yes,
Si God, Jesus was always here in the middle of us.
Our faith can move mountains, sabi niya.
Yeah. Yeah. I couldn't. The podcast Usapang Barbero would have never been Usapang Barbero kung walang topic na papasok si Jesus.
So, man.
And yeah. Every episode. Every
Nung tayong
episode.
dalawa na lang, G, mas
Mas lalo na. Kasi
Lumalim.
parang feeling ko siya na yung nakaupo.
kausap eh. Oo,
Yeah.
you know, parang siya na yung guest.
Yeah.
Oh, ito sasabihin mo dyan.
Yes. Yes. Just imagine him sitting right there in the middle. Yeah. And he's the only one. Yeah.
Ang lupit.
Yeah.
He's the only one.
Yeah. Thank you, God.
All hail and praise to the King.
Yes. And of course, I want to thank each and single one of our family members understanding also. Because we put in time with this.
Yes.
We did travels. We put in time sa partner mo, sa partner ko, sa my wife, to my
Oo.
kids,
Oo.
to our family members that watches our episodes.
Correct, correct.
Mama mo palaging
Nanonood.
Mama ko, maraming salamat for tuning in. Kasi the following day, she would tell me, ang dami ko natututunan rin sa inyo. I watch it from the beginning to the end. So it's almost like, man, I don't need any more viewers. Was the most important thing is yung parents mo, and they're appreciating what you do.
Yeah.
And it's big. It's
Yeah.
really big. You know, for me to hear that from my mom, alam mo yung topic by topic na mention niya. So alam mo talaga nanonood siya. Gets mo? I was like, man, and your mom comments, share.
Yeah. I mean, my mom just told me last night how proud she is on seeing what we are doing, each and every brothers.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, how grateful she is. Dati, kinakarga niya lang kami. Ngayon,
Yeah.
nagkakaroon na kami ng mga kanya-kanyang buhay.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, it's nakaka-touch ng puso, pero nakakaiyak, pero di na
Of
ako
course.
nasa biro.
Yes.
Because I'm that kind of pangana, you know?
Yeah.
At di ko pinapakita na I will take it very seriously. No. Ipa-portray ko yan as a joke, but God knows how much I love my parents.
Of course.
And that there's no JP Bacalyan.
Yes, and there's no
without them
King
doing.
Liwag, bro, without my parents. And of course, man, to all of our partners dito sa Babzap, without you guys, without your support, we wouldn't be here also. All of this wouldn't be here. And me as the founder of Babzap, guys, talking to you partners, I know some things are kind of slow for
Yeah.
the progress that we want to meet, but hopefully you guys see and how we strive every time to get it to the point where we want it to be. But God always has a perfect timing for everything. Learning a lot. Me and JP are working hard on getting it to that level. Kasi parang, truthfully speaking, tayo yung face ng Babs eh. You know,
We are the
both of us are
marketing.
working. Yeah, we don't have a big team for this, and this is a big app. You know what I'm saying? This is such a big app, and a lot of doors are opening during the journey.
Yeah.
And Usapang Barbero, this is just the start. This is just page 1.
Oo nga eh.
To be
Ano
honest,
pa lang to? Anniversary to.
yeah, this is just page 1. Sa mga lahat ng sumuporta, I want to mention their names now, lalo na tong dalawang to, si Jove Jane Pulgar and another one, si Lone. Si Lone, always continuously sharing Every post.
are,
from
are they
from-
the since the day one fans?
devoted?
Devoted.
Yes. Devoted.
Yo,
Mas-
what's their name?
Si Jov Jane.
Hey, Job Jane and
Si Lone. Nalala
Hey.
mo na nagano tayo live tayo. No?
Job Jane and Lone, man. We love you.
Thank you.
Ah,
Thank you. I mean,
since day one. I hope
yeah.
na we are still touching your hearts. Sana
yes.
napapagaan namin yung araw nyo.
Yeah. Kita mo, like, it might not seem like it kasi minsan din ako nakakapag live. Pero I noticed you guys. Yeah, this too. Wow. They make me pursue even more.
More.
Kasi
And that's
sabi ko, maniniwala, I can't let them down
exactly
with
right.
our videos that we do. It's like, wow. Thank you for sharing and taking the time, clicking that
Consistent.
button,
Uh,
commenting. Alam mo yun, I truly appreciate you guys. And yeah, man. That's season number 2.
the season number 2 ending today.
Yes.
First anniversary of Usapang Barbero, heading to our season 3 next week. So
Yes. We'll
abangan nyo yun.
try to figure out something new.
Let's see.
Para mapasaya pa namin kayo, more learnings and everything. But
Yeah.
before we close this, kapatid, what do you want to say?
Well, first and foremost, I want to thank God, my family, my partner, and just keep pushing, keep working and working. As long as wala kang tinatapakang tao, that's all you gotta do.
Yes.
And
Amen.
as of course, abangan nyo yung papalabas namin na album ni Boogie.
Woo!
to
When is the
Johnson.
listening party?
I don't have any idea yet, but the last time I asked him is that the mixing and mastering of all the tracks are getting done. So it might be this year or next year, I don't know. But I think it might be this year because Ghost is actually working fast.
Wow.
So abangan nyo po yan. Paglabas po niyan, panibagong tunog po ang mahirig nyo kay Bugoy na Koy Koy. Two Joints in Harmony.
Wow.
And you can actually check me on the Spotify, Apple Music, Facebook page, Instagram. And also every Monday, Bigaya na at 6:30 in the evening. Catch me live there. And also I have a show this coming November 22 at Causey Cove, Baguio. And I think this is in Pateros on November 23. I'll be performing there also, so catch me live there.
Yeah.
See you all soon.
Yeah.
And on Saturday, I will be there in an open sparring. So if you want to
Yeah.
catch me do box,
Yeah.
go there.
Yes, sir. Oh man, what a year ender from season 1. Well, we are on season 2. From episode 1
One to episode 42.
That was a journey. Daming nangyari. There was behind the things that was happening, personal lives, but we were able to continue. And we're still continuing just to prove to people also, now we owe this to the people. Now we can be a perfect example of what consistency can
Yes.
take you.
Mhm.
Yes. And disciplina to the point na, yo, me and JP doesn't make anything out of it. Diba?
But yeah, this is a therapy.
Yeah.
A learning.
Yeah.
You know.
Na hindi parang hirap i-replace, na, lagyan ng value eh, no? Yeah. So, if you guys want to pursue your dream, just keep moving forward. And to close this, I just want to say thank you to God, of course. I want to say thank you to my wife, my kids, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, the team that builds Babs app, and everyone who believed in the vision until now supporting us also. 1 year of learning was built through this podcast. And of course, man, I want to say thank you to my brother, JP Bacalyan, man,
And
for
thanks to you too, Mr. Babs.
for kailan pa na-build si Mr. Babs? I don't even. Bigla na sumibol si Mr. Babs eh. That gave me the opportunity. You were the first believer of this Usapang Barbero. I truly appreciate that, my bro.
And because I want to unlock something too.
Yeah.
And you know, when I feel that I want this,
Yeah,
I want this.
yeah. And both of us, with God, made the right decision, took the right foot to continue whatever we're doing. And guys, it's not easy to say for a podcast to continue at 1 year.
Oh boy.
I want to take pride of that. Kasi,
Oo, sabi nga raw nila wala raw naman.
yeah,
Walang podcast daw na tumatagal.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, yeah. Not unless you're very disciplined, very katulad nila Boogie.
Oh.
They've been around.
Bro.
Dog Brock, they've been around. Oh yeah, he's another Dog Brock. Na-message na naman siya. So hopefully we get to guest him soon.
Messi, sobrang, I mean, he got higher priorities.
Yes, very very high priorities. But time will come. I know nothing is impossible. I know
Yeah.
marami pa tayong dapat ng mga naging guests na hindi pa lang natuloy. Pero this upcoming year, it's a perfect season ender too. With the list that we had over here, this is already heavyweight for a first year.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know? Yeah, this is very heavyweight. Hindi lang heavyweight. Talagang chubby weight.
Chubby weight.
I don't know.
Fluffy weight.
Yeah, fluffy weight. Man, thank you, my bro. I love you.
I love you, brother.
Thank you
And
so much.
yeah, sa lahat ng naniwala sa Usapang Barbero, man, you guys were a big part of it.
Yeah.
And to our future million viewers there,
Yes. We're just undiscovered. Hindi pa kami na-discovered dyan. That's it.
baka may hukayin pa din hanggang episode 1 eh.
Yeah. Yeah, trust me.
Paano ba ito si Mr. Barbs at saka si Sir JB?
Yeah. Maraming salamat. Episode 1. Year 1.
Year 1.
Is coming to a close. Perfect din kasi November na yun. Lapit na New Year. So,
Oo nga eh.
you know what?
Wow.
Yeah. Sheesh!
Ano naman?
Talaga sinimulan natin to, bro. Wala naniwala. Pero till now.
But we believe in it. So
Yeah.
we will be consistent up until the end.
Yes, sir.
Man. Year 1 is
Yeah.
ending right now. And happy anniversary to Usapang Barbero and the
Yes.
production team na kakauwi lang.
Yun na sila.
Uwi na, pagod na rin for the whole day with Mr. Bubs eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. And big shout out to this guy who believed in what I got to.
I love you, bro. I love you,
too,
bro.
brother.
Shh, more achievements. Peace. Wala mag-stop na to kaya makikita nila tatayo tayo.
Okay na yan. Ate Joy!